Hey there, Upper East Siders. Looks like Serena Vanderwoodson was spotted at the Grand Central Hotel after a year of being gone.
Serena Vanderwoodson is back?
Hey, Blair.
Hey, Serena.
You want to meet later at Butter for lunch?
Sure, but I'll have to leave early because Nate, I'm hanging out with him later.
Do you want to hang out earlier?
I guess that's okay.
I guess.
Yeah, just meet me at Butter later.
Okay.
Alright.
So, how are you and Nate?
We're pretty good. Like I said, we're meeting later.
Yeah.
So, how have you been?
B. The reason why I left was because I had a case of E. coli.
What's that?
At Dr. Ostrov's office.
Hi, Serena. I'm Dr. Hostra. I'm just going to be checking the normal symptoms, so I'll see if you're reflex. Alright, breathe in and out. Alright, and what are you feeling today? What's going on?
A couple days ago, I went to Butter with Blair. Had a steak dinner with some potatoes, and my stomach has been feeling really terrible since.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and take an x-ray, and then we're going to see if everything's alright.
Thanks, Dr. Ostrom.
No problem. Alright, so we have the capsule, and then that has the ability to trap, like it can either be good or bad, so in your case it's really bad. Then we have the pili, which sticks out. It's rigid, so it's a little rough, and then those are like little arms. The cell wall, it protects the whole E. coli, like bacterial as a whole, and then the plasma membrane, it controls what enters and exits the bacteria, and then we have the ribosome, which is made up of proteins. Alright, so then we have the flagellum, and basically that's like the sensory, that's why it's sticking out, and that detects the changes in temperature. So if anything like is good, like the temperature changes wise, it's gonna alert the whole cell as a whole. And then the cytoplasm, basically that's where everything is like held together. The nucleoid is where the DNA is contained, so that's where like every trait is in there, right in the center.
Is there anything else that I need to know, Doc?
Well, it does have some life habits or how it lives its life, so it's kind of like us. Alright, so just like us, E. coli has basic life functions. So it eats, it gets rid of waste, and it reproduces. So for it to eat and to get rid of waste, it's like a sponge. So any food or nutrients around it, it absorbs it, and then when it wants to get rid of it, it kind of like, when you squish a sponge, you know how like the water comes out? Yeah, it kind of like comes out like that. And then for the reproduction, they don't really have sexual reproduction. It kind of just undergoes a cellular division.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, so I wrote a prescription for you for Luria Broth.
Thanks, Doc.
And then, yeah, no problem. And then basically it just, what it does, it contains the environment for E. coli so it doesn't go haywire.
Mm-hmm.
But the ingredients, they contain sodium chloride, they have the yeast extract, and then they have the enzyme hydrolysate. So those are kind of like what it has in there, so you don't know, so you know what you're aware of and what you're taking. If there's any problems, it can be adjusted. Just come back to me, give me a call, or you could just talk to the pharmacist.
Thanks, Doc.
Yeah, no
I'll
problem.
be sure to give you a call if I see any symptoms.
All right, you take care.
You too.
Okay, well, I have to go meet Nate now, so I'm gonna go.
B, please don't tell anyone about this.
I won't, there's no one to tell.
Do loose lips sink ships, or do friendships? You know you love me. XOXO, Gossip Girl.